Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Hacks. I hope you are well today. In this video, we will learn that how we can download PSD and EPS files of unique graphic resources, business cards, flyers, brochures, certificates, logos, cartoons and their mockups for free. Without wasting time, let's go to the tutorial. So first of all, search FreePic on Google and open the website. Here you're looking the interface of this site. Then I will search business card and it will appear on screen. These designs are so beautiful and unique. We want free business card, so I will select free. Then it will show free business card. Then I will download a EPS file. I am searching for cartoon. I will select a file for download. I selected a EPS file, so I want to download it. So click on download. It will show a dialog box. For premium download, no attribution required. For free download, you must attribute the author. You can download 3 files per day. If you want more, get the premium version. I will show you more graphic resources by search. I am searching for brochure, flyers and certificate. If I type certificate, then it will show certificate. As you can see, all the certificates are available. If it's helped you in any matter, like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay connected for more updates. Thank you for watching my video.